Hi guys, again I'm back to explain you the chapter Little Boy. So before the explanation, this story has written by Anthony D. Sand. So I'm going to tell you few sentences about him. He was a French writer, poet and a pilot. He flew for the first time at the age of 12. In an attempt to break a record, he crashed his plane in a desert. He trudged through the sand for 3 days before finding help. The above extract has been taken from his very famous book, The Little Prince, which is considered a classic in French literature. So, this is the story of the writer. Now see what happened in the story. Now, this story started when the writer was 6 years old, and he come across a very unusual picture in a book called Real Stories. The picture depicted I have told that I think I show you the picture in videos 1. So the picture depicted a large snake eating a wild cat. See, again I am going to show you the picture. See the picture. Here is the picture. See the picture. Now, for the reference of my explanation, take a glance of your chapter. The picture started in your chapter. Just now I have shown you the picture, and it shows how the animals they lived and how they are spending their lifestyle in the jungle. Now, writer begins to think deeply about the jungle lifestyle. The writer was so interested that with his color pencil he made his first picture and shown in your book, that is drawing number 1. See the picture. Here is the picture. It looks like a hat. So it's the drawing number 1. Next. And then after completing his masterpiece, he showed it to his elders or grown-ups and asked with them that is my drawing is horrible or is it creating a sensation of fear. Then the elder replies, why would a hat scare us? The writer was trying to console himself by saying that his drawing was not a hat. After some time, he started a fresh drawing depicting the look of a large snake from inside, so that his elders can understood, because they always need a perfect answers. He named it as drawing number 2. So see the picture. Here it is. This one he named the picture drawing number 2. Now the grown-ups advise him to stop these all nonsense and focus on your studies like languages, mathematics, science, etc. Due to the elders' replies and suggestions, at the age of 6, the writer had to say goodbye to his dreams. Now to becoming of a painter. Then see what happened. Then the writer was very upset and totally depressed by the failures of his drawing number 1 and drawing number 2. Then the writer concludes his childhood memories by stating that elders never understand anything by themselves and it is different it to make them explain things all the time. Nowadays our parents also focusing us to go studies these all, but our dreams is like different, to become a painter, to become a dancer. So focus on your study also and you just go to your dreams also.